Hello, 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 real world writers. I just wanted to address the way the grades work, the way the district has put in a policy and how it affects this class and what you do or don't need to do. So, by now, I assume you've heard that the district-wide grade policy is do no harm. In other words, your grade when we officially went into quarantine is the floor for how low your grade can go. If in mid-March you had an 88%, then your grade cannot drop lower than an 88%, even if you do absolutely nothing and have done absolutely nothing since that time. So that is the floor. It cannot drop lower. It can, however, go up. This puts you into, or all students, but specifically you, into a position where you have three options. First option, you can use this time to raise grades with which you are dissatisfied. Let's say you're failing and you want to pass. Let's say you have a D and you want to get a C or a B. Let's say you have a B plus and you want to get an A. Let's say you have an A minus and you want to get an A, whatever. The opportunity is there for you to raise your grade if you're dissatisfied with it. Option number two, those of you who are satisfied with your grade, but you would like genuine learning opportunities independent of your grade, which cannot drop. For whatever reason, let's say you want to work on your academic writing. Let's say you're really interested in the subject, whatever. Your grade can't drop, but you have the learning opportunities in front of you. And then there are group three, you're satisfied with your grade. You will stop participating in the class for the remainder of the semester. Your grade won't drop. You just won't do anything. Okay, so let me just kind of sell you on why you should continue real world writing, finish this till the end. First of all, the remainder of the semester consists of finishing Jupiter and one other small essay you might actually enjoy. That's pretty much it. Obviously, a lot of the other things, like the poster you're going to do, that's off the table. So basically, it's just these two things. Now, with that said, most of you are college bound. In college, you will write papers like Jupiter, just as long as Jupiter, and you will write them immediately your freshman year, regardless of your major. You're a bio major, you'll be writing these papers. You're a poli-sci major, you'll be writing these papers. You're not sure of your major, you'll be writing these papers. Those who will have gone through the Jupiter process will have a decided advantage over everyone else when they find out they have to write a 10-page midterm. It's just that simple. You can, nothing will help you write a comprehensive research paper more than having already written a comprehensive research paper in which the focus is the process. You have plenty of time. You're working in a subject in which you're genuinely interested, and due to the situation we are in, you can kind of revise as much as you need to, basically until the end of the year. You have tons of time to do this. So, I can't say this enough. Most of you are college bound. Most of you're going to be writing these papers if you are. And if you are, not only do you want the confidence to write them, but you want the skills to write them, and it does take skills that, most of you aren't there yet. You're good high school writers, but this is something different. If you choose to participate, your grades cannot drop. They can only go up. I will further note the actual assignments will not go in the gradebook. The assignments are mileposts that keep you moving toward the final paper and allow you to digest the process in small chunks. I still want you to, if you do participate, don't just write the paper, because it won't work very well. You would hit the mileposts because those help you to understand exactly, help you to understand the process and take everything bit by bit by bit. When you're tackling that large of a paper, it is important that you go bit by bit by bit. If you choose to participate, the improvement to your grade and learning opportunities will consist of you having the opportunity to write the essay as much as you need to and revise as much as you need to, getting to a point where you understand what it takes to be proficient or even advanced. Now, with that said, I respect whatever decision you make. But if you choose to take a knee for the remainder of the semester and you're not currently going through, it stinks that all your senior year is gone. The good things about senior year, that really does stink. But if you're not going through personal crisis like your family, you have to work, your family is struggling to make ends meet. If you choose to take an E and you are college bound, then I think you're making a really bad decision. So that is kind of the situation. That's what we'll be doing the rest of the year. Those are your three options. The first thing I want you to do this week, whatever you're doing, I want you to take the survey on Canvas. It asks you 3 questions. 1, your name. 2, what is your plan for the remainder of the year? And 3, anything else I need to know, like this is something that I do want to work on and this is why, whatever. Be aware, due to this situation, if you say you're going to take the rest of the semester off, I am duty bound to contact your parents and let them know that is your decision. They can do whatever they want. They can support you in that. They can tell you that's not going to happen. It's up to you, but I will have to let them know. So, I genuinely hope everyone will be on board, but first thing I need to know where everybody stands, so please start with the survey. If you have any questions, grades, whatever, email me. Hopefully you have seen that I will answer almost immediately anytime you email me. So, have a good week. Please take the survey. Let me know where you stand, and good luck.